Here are 5 big reasons why your business needs a virtual tour.
Big reason number 1. A better Google ranking. Google doesn't provide exact ranking parameters, but one thing we do know is that great content means much better results. Quality content is the key with Google, and a virtual tour builds your credibility. Big reason number 2. Familiarity. Virtual tours help viewers build familiarity with your business before they ever become an actual client. When they see your office, they build a personal connection that increases their trust and ultimately leads to more clients. Big reason number 3. More sales. A better Google ranking and viewer familiarity can only equal one thing: more sales. A recent study by Carlson Hotel Group showed a massive 135% increase in revenue by using virtual tours. Big reason number 4. They're affordable. At approximately $75 per room, virtual tours are more affordable than you think. You don't have to show every single room, and all of the work is done for you. Big reason number 5. Virtual tours are so easy to use. There's no software or complicated code to work with, and nothing for you to do on your end. We work with Google to produce magic for your business. To discuss virtual tour options for your business, call Jessica at Pro Quality Imaging today, 513-571-3861.